Here we have another unboxing video from my favorite toy shop, Game On. If you find this part boring, you can always fast forward. That's the good thing about videos. I need to open it carefully because I just borrowed it. If I decide to keep it, I don't know yet. We will see so when I've done the testing video what I decide to do, but for the moment it's just borrowed and it needs to be returned safely. Then I need to keep the packaging intact. There's also a very heavy tape. You know what? This thing is sticking together like crazy. There. Return papers and looky here, the Humrex Smith & Wesson Model 29. Energy below 7.5 joule. Let me open up the lid. This is the 8-inch version, and this is Energy Max 2 joules, and the sticker on the side of the barrel there. Nice logo on the wood imitation grips. So, this was the unboxing video. Stay tuned for a full review. So, thank you for watching.